It's literally glueless everywhere. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae. If you're not new here, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this ready to wear, ready to go, and when I say go, I mean go, wig from Alipearl Hair Company. So shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig that was pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, continue watching because I'm going to show you guys everything I did to make my hair look like this. And when I say it basically came out the box like this, there was little to no work done. So continue watching. So guys, today I will be installing a wig from Alipearl Hair Company. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this super quick, super easy install, because this is a glueless frontal wig. For this, I'm going to unbox, show you guys exactly what I received in here and how the wig looks straight out the box. We got a satin bag. This bag you could use to just store the wig in. This is a satin scarf, so you could wrap it around your hairline. We got some lashes, an HD wig cap, control brush, melt band. We have these strips, well, they're tapes that you can use to put on the wig on your hairline, and there is some rubber bands. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the wig. So I got a medium-sized cap. This is 26 inches. They're invisible lace human hair, and this is straight. So this is supposed to be a quick and easy wear and go wig. They really did their thing with this. Look how the hairline is plucked for you. The knots are bleached and the lace is cut for you. So what work do you have to do? That is great. And of course they made the part for you. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks on my skin. Ooh. Okay, they might be saying something. I like this. This is a frontal wig. Inside the wig, we have 2 combs at the sides. There is 1 comb at the back. Like always, we have the adjustable bands. But we also have this non-slip grip inside of it as well to help the wig fit your head. So this helps the wig stay on your head. It gives it that glueless put on and go effect. So if you don't want to use no glue, no melting spray, no nothing, like all you have to do is really pull this so it becomes tighter, or you can pull it the opposite way to make it looser. What I also like about this is if you do want to glue the wig down, anything like that, if you don't like this, it is removable. So all you have to do is take it out on both sides and it's not there anymore. This is how the wig is looking. It's nice and full. Ooh. Do you guys see these ends? It's nice and full. The wig is nice and full. It's lengthy too. So we're gonna get straight into this install, guys. So you want some nice straight and flat braids going straight down. Then we're going to take the wig cap. We're gonna go ahead and put that on. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses concealer. This is in the tone 14. So I'm just dabbing it, and then I'm gonna spread it on the front of this wig cap. You just want to brush your concealer on the back of the lace. It's basically tinting the lace to your color. So you also want to make sure that the color that you're using matches your skin tone. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace at the back of the wig because we don't need it, nor do we need it hanging at the back of our head. I take the comb that's at the back of the wig and I'm just going to insert it underneath my wig cap right at the back in the middle. That way I know the wig is centered. So I'm just going to put that comb right in the center and then pull my wig up. Oh, you snug. Whoa. Okay. The lace is longer than my hairline to go around my ears. As you can see, it's covering. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and cut those. But other than that, this is actually laying real flat and real snug. Like, guys, pardon me. Pardon me. So I'm just using the end of my tail comb and following where my ear is. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace. So this is how the hairline is looking. Honestly, for nothing being done, this is amazing. It's amazing. And it's a frontal. Like, you literally just put on the frontal and it looks like this. This is actually, it's crazy. So at this point, I'm able to just put it on, take it off. My glueless method when it comes to putting on these glueless wigs is using a melting spray. I like to go in with my melting spray. This is my sticky little secret. I love this melting spray. The thing is, I dropped mine and the cap broke. And then I thought about it and I'm like, girl, are you gonna waste the product? So I found this clear spray container. I got it from the dollar store. It was laying around my house. And I'm just going to pour it in. So I'm going in with my solution. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the hairline, use my blow dryer and dry it. So you just want to spray it and like basically just dab down on it. And you also want to make sure the wig is laying exactly where you want it to before you start spraying. So guys, as you can see, the melting spray literally just melts. It just melts. It helps melt the lace into your skin. But as I said before, it is like a very temporary hold. So spray your water bottle on your hairline and the wig is slipping right off. But this is how our glueless side is looking with nothing. Like, this is glueless. This is glueless. Glueless. And And then I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the side down now. And sometimes I just like pulling the sideburns forward and spraying the hairline just to give it some tension. It just holds it down better for me. Going back with my sticky little secret, I'm letting you know that's what's in this bottle. I have a whole face of makeup on, like who told me? So we're just gonna press that lace down. I'm just gonna go back in with my brush that had the concealer on it, and now just dab it somewhere on the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and now tie down the hairline with the melt band. I'm just gonna put that over the hairline. And this hair is really already nice and straight, as you can see, so I don't really have to go through and really flat iron the hair. I'm just gonna go and mix like some really big sections. Like using my BioSilk and some Dax. I don't currently have my Dax with me right now, so I'm just gonna be going in with the BioSilk. You just want like a drop. So yeah, I'm literally parting some big sections. I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. This is one of the best flat irons I've ever used. I just buy it over and over again. And I'm just gonna comb through the hairline. I still try to get my wigs as flat as possible, so I do like going in with my wax stick and my hot comb. I'm just going to part. Ooh, and the spacing on this wig, guys. I'm going in with my Paris Hair Wax Stick, of course. And I am just going to apply it on the root of the hair. So I'm just going in with it and just pressing down the root. Yeah. Like, it's already flat. This is really not necessary. It'll make a little bit of a difference, but I'm gonna go in and use the hot comb every single time. It just gives it more of like a finish. It's like a finishing touch. It's that finishing touch the hot comb has. But I mean, we can still both ways. But I'ma always go for that finishing look, like that nice sleek look. That's gonna be me every single time. So I'm gonna just go ahead, apply the wax stick to this side as well, and then we're basically done. I like to go in with my Shine Spray from Paul Mitchell. So I'm gonna spray that all over. So guys, this is how the hair is looking. It is a whole vibe. And honestly guys, the hair feels so nice. And the ends are nice and full. So I just want to give a huge shout out to Alipearl Hair Company for sending over this unit, guys. If you're interested in this unit or any bundles, any other type of wigs, they have a whole variety of stuff on their website, so you can go ahead and check them out. All their details will be down in my description box below. There will be a specific link for this unit if you are interested. So yeah, if you have made it this far in my video and you enjoyed it, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you are new here, thank you again. If you are not new here, girl, I'll definitely see you in the next one. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know that you've made it this far. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one.